Are you tired of dealing with a leaking AC? Look no further than your HVAC company, serving Portland, or our experienced HVAC technicians can diagnose and fix the issue quickly and efficiently. From clogged drain lines to malfunctioning condensate pumps, we've seen it all. Don't let a leaking AC cause more damage to your home. Call us today at 555-555 to schedule a repair or replacement. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch service and ensuring your comfort and safety. Whether you need a routine maintenance check or a complete system replacement, we're here to help. So why wait? Contact us now and let us take care of your AC needs.